We are here to discuss computational fluid dynamics tooling up costs with RedBot, so let's get to it.
Thank you, Silverbot. Often with the manufacture of physical products, tooling up can make or break a project. Imagine creating the jigs and constructing the custom machines for a new car such as the Chevy Volt, and you can easily see where a large portion of the estimated $750 million development costs are destined. The cost of tooling up serves as a huge barrier to entry for the car market, and it is one of the main reasons that there are relatively few car companies producing cars for the masses.
Okay, but I thought we were discussing CFD, tooling up costs?
Keep with me, my shiny friend, it's coming. Engineering consultancy has become increasingly software-based. Think CAD, FEA, CFD, etc. The software tooling up required by engineering consultants is analogous to the hardware tooling up faced by manufacturers. Consider the scenario where you want to make a bid on an aerodynamic design contract, but you are going to have to use the latest CFD tools to be taken seriously. Ideally, you'd like to tool up and pay for a short period of CFD software use, just enough to prepare a credible bid. If you lose, you've minimized your costs. If you win, you will want the option to tool up again, likely for an extended period.
Sure, I can see that. Sounds reasonable to me. So what's the problem?
Typical CFD software licensing is stubbornly inflexible. Instead, you often have to commit to a relatively large upfront tooling cost where you purchase at a minimum an annual license irrespective of your usage requirements. This stands as a substantial barrier to entry in the provision of engineering consultancy services. Worse still, it imposes an artificial limit on the potential innovation that could be unleashed if only CFD software licensing was more flexible.
Ah, so what's needed is more flexible CFD licensing, right?
Exactly. Symscape provides flexible licensing periods, monthly, quarterly, annually, for Caedium add-ons to match your usage patterns. There are no strings attached, no initial sign-up fees, and no re-sign-up fees. Also, with Caedium's add-on architecture, you can select and purchase only the software features you need, all within a familiar, integrated simulation environment.
Okay, this sounds ideal. How do I get started?
Start now with a free trial of Caedium Professional, and I'm sure you'll see that the advantages of Caedium's flexible licensing trumps the inflexible tooling costs that have previously hobbled small engineering consultancies from achieving their full potential. Before long, you'll be saying, what CFD tooling up costs?
Well, thanks for sharing that with our viewers, RedBot. Tune in next time for another yummy serving of the CFD Bot Chronicles.